Hey everyone, welcome back to part 3 of our Roblox Tag Game series. Last time we made it so players can tag each other. In this video, we're going to make the game look way better by adding a user interface, or a UI, that shows who's it, plus a countdown timer for each round. Let's get started. First, we want to open Roblox Studio. If you have it open, you can just skip the video a little bit. Let's go to Tag Frenzy. Okay. First, let's make the interface that shows who's it. Go to Starter GUI, insert a Screen GUI, and name it Tag UI. Inside the Tag UI, we're gonna add two text labels. So one, duplicate. This one we're gonna call this it label. And for the text, we're gonna do bold text, rich text. Oh, disable these for now. Let's just put it player. Set the size to 0, 250, 0, 50. The position to 0.5, negative 125, 0, 20. Should be right there. Let's mess around with the anchor point. 0.5, 0. And background transparency to 0.5. And set the background color to 255, 100, 100. Set text scale to true. And set this to bold. And that should be great for that. Now we need the timer label. So name this text label the timer label. Let's do an example. Time left 60. That's up to you if you this is entirely up to you. The text. Set the size. You can actually just 40. Set the position 0.5, negative 100, 0, 80. 80. There we go. Should be right here. And the anchor point is 0.5, 0. And background transparency 0.5. Set the background color to the same. Set the text color. This text color like that. Make sure text scale is true. I forgot it for this one, so make sure text scale is true for both of them. And just bold, and there we go. We are with the UI. We're done with the UI. It may look a little off, but that is okay. You want to insert a local script into the UI. Name it Tag UI Handler. Alright, let's get started. So local players is equal to game at service players. Local player is equal to players.local player. Local it label is equal to script.parent wait for child it label. Local timer label is equal to script.parent wait for child timer label. I'm going to note that just says settings. The settings will be up to you. Local round underscore time is equal to 60. You can set this to whatever you want. That's up to you. I'm going to add a note that says update the it layer text. The local function update it label. For underscore p in pair. Oh my gosh. Pairs. Players get players. If p first child is it, and p dot is it dot value is equal to true. Done. it label dot text is equal to it player. Semicolon space outside the parentheses of outside the quotation marks, put dot p dot name. What membership type? Name, and then just put a return after that. Then you want to skip two ends, and then you want to put it label dot text is equal to it layer, and then you just want to put none. All right, now you can skip this end. Add a note, timer, countdown, local function, start timer for time left equals to round time, comma 0, comma -1 do. Timer label dot text is equal to time left semicolon space dot time left, and then you want to put await 1 second, and then skip one end. I think it's one end. Yeah. When the timer hits 0, pick a new 8. So we're gonna grab all players. Look at all players is equal to players. Okay, what did I do that? Players colon get players. If all players. Oh wait. Put hashtag all players is greater than 0, then local chosen is equal to all players. Brackets math dot random 1 comma hashtag all players 4 underscore comma p in pairs. Oh, all players do. If p colon defined first child is it, then p dot is it dot value is equal to false, and then you want to skip two ends. But chosen dot is it dot value is equal to true, and then we're gonna call the update it label function. Skip one end. I don't know. Restart timer loop. And then just call the start timer function. And you can skip this end again. Then I'm gonna add a note update UI when it changes 4 underscore comma p in pairs. Players can get players. Do if p colon first child is it, then p dot is it dot colon get property changed signal. I think that's how I spell it. So this you put value, and then you want to put connect, and then you want to put update it label, but without the parentheses. And I'm gonna skip two ends. Oh well, that's it anyway. I'm gonna get players dot player added connect to the update it label. Players dot player removing colon connect update it label. It's called a function. Call the function. I'm gonna task dot spawn start timer. And there we go. We did the script. So what's happening? The it player label updates in real time whenever someone new becomes it. The timer counts down from 60 seconds, and when it reaches 0, it automatically picks a new random it and restarts the round. Everything loops forever, so your game keeps running smoothly. Now let's hit play. As you can see, it says I'm it, and the timer is working. We have the print thing from last time, part 1. This is going awesome. So see, it says I'm it, and the timer's counting down. This is what will happen. If it doesn't work, tell me your error, and I will tell you what to fix. So, why is my shift locked on? See, we have our points. It says I am it right here. And time hit 0, and it should restart. Wonderful. Alright, and that is it for part 3. We now have oh my god, 10 minutes. We now have a fully working tag game with a functional UI and timer. In part 4, we'll probably change up the UI a bit. We'll add extra stuff. Things like color effects, sounds, and maybe even a scoreboard for wins. If you're enjoying this series, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next part. Goodbye.